Hey, my name is Nazar from Garage Door Geeks, and this is our 55mm manual shutter. It's great for small applications. It has a lock on the bottom slot. It's quite secure. It's good to have for countertops or other locations where we don't need to bend to the ground. It has the lock on the bottom. With the manual 55, we are able to go up to 10 feet wide interior, and we can go about 10 feet tall also, but we don't want to mix and match 10 feet by 10 feet. If you like this content, please subscribe for more.